Anita calls her husband Mohit. Anita accuses her husband that he has put her at a spot of trouble. Mohit asks, what did he do? Anita says people from the loan company were calling her 10 times a day. Mohit advises Anita not to answer the calls. Anita says if she doesn't answer the calls, they send messages. She asks Mohit why doesn't he repay the loan. Mohit asks his wife to forward those messages. Mohit reads the message on the phone saying, Dear customer. Mohit's friend Abhishek asks him, what happened? What was he reading so attentively? Mohit said he was reading a threat from a finance company. Abhishek asks him to elaborate. Mohit says it's a threat for not repaying the loan. Abhishek asks him, why did he take the loan in the first place and why wasn't he repaying it? Mohit says he took it to start a business, but the business isn't doing well. Mohit says if the business isn't doing well, why should he pay the EMI from his own pocket? The customers can opt for one-time settlement in such cases. Abhishek asks, would there be any trouble in the future with a one-time settlement? Mohit says in one-time settlement, one has to pay less money anyway.
Like Mohit, millions of people take loans to meet financial needs. Many times situations like job loss, business downturn or sudden illness arise. In such a situation, the person who takes the loan is unable to meet the conditions of repaying it. On top of that, the interest and penalties keep increasing. A person gets trapped in the web of debt. That's when the banks offer a one-time settlement or OTS option. Recently, the Ministry of Finance has directed public sector banks to reach a one-time settlement with defaulters. These loans should range from 20 lakh rupees to 1 crore rupees. Through mutual agreement, small trapped borrowers can be helped. Mohit is talking about the same OTS. But is it wise to go for OTS? Let's find out.
So, what is a one-time settlement? When a person fails to pay the equated monthly installment or EMI of a loan for more than 90 days, then the bank or financial institution inquires about the reason for not repaying the EMI. Banks or finance companies scrutinize the person's claim carefully. If reasons are genuine, the borrower is offered a loan settlement option. In case of one-time loan settlement, the bank tries to settle the account by accepting payment of at least the principal amount in a single go. In such a situation, the bank waives off the interest amount, penalties or legal expenses. Settlement amount is decided after taking into consideration the debtor's repayment capacity. After payment of settlement amount, the bank closes the loan by writing off the difference between the total outstanding amount and the settlement amount. For example, Mohit had taken a loan of 10 lakh rupees. Currently, the total outstanding on his loan is 7 lakh rupees. Adding the interest, penalties and legal expenses, it amounts to a total of 7,50,000 rupees. The lender can offer Mohit a one-time settlement by depositing 5 lakh rupees and close the loan. The remaining 2,50,000 rupees will be waived off. It will be shown as a loss in the account statement.
आप जब भी बैंक को ओटीएस के लिए अप्रोच करते हो तो ये काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट है कि आपका कौन सा टाइप का लोन बैंक के पास चल रहा है. आपका लोन सिक्योर्ड लोन है या अनसिक्योर्ड लोन है. क्योंकि अगर आपका लोन सिक्योर्ड लोन रहेगा तो बैंक ओटीएस के लिए ज़्यादा बार्गेनिंग नहीं करती, क्योंकि उनके पास आपकी प्रॉपर्टी या आपकी सिक्योरिटी जो रहती है वो एज अ कोलैटरल रहती है. लेकिन अगर आपका अनसिक्योर्ड लोन रहेगा तो जाहिर है कि बैंक के पास कोई भी कोलैटरल या सिक्योरिटी नहीं रहती, तो उस समय बैंक आपको थोड़ा ज़्यादा बार्गेन करके आपके साथ ओटीएस करवा सकते हैं.
You may find it good news that you only have to pay 5 lakh rupees instead of 7,50,000 rupees. But there will be a long-term negative consequence. In fact, by closing the loan in this manner, the status of the loan account will change from closed to settled. The status of a loan account shows as closed when the loan is closed after timely repayment. This information will be sent to credit rating agencies by financial institutions. A settled account is not considered as a regular closed account, so it has a negative impact on your credit score. This will make it difficult for you to obtain loans or credit cards for several years. Banks may refuse to lend to you. You will get loans at higher interest rate.
मान लो अगर आपके 10 लोन चल रहे हैं और उसमें से 9 लोन का रीपेमेंट आपका क्लियर है और सिर्फ आपने एक लोन बैंक के साथ में सेटल किया, और वो भी अगर मान लो उसका अमाउंट भी छोटा था, और एट द सेम टाइम आपके 2-3 क्रेडिट कार्ड्स आप यूज़ कर रहे हो और उसके ऊपर रीपेमेंट अगर क्लियर है, तो आपका जो सिबिल स्कोर नीचे जाएगा उसका इम्पैक्ट या उसका जो मैग्नीट्यूड रहेगा वो कम रहेगा। लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम अगर मान लो आपके 10 लोन चल रहे हो, उसमें से 8 लोन अगर आपने बैंक के साथ में सेटल किए और अगर आपका क्रेडिट कार्ड का रीपेमेंट भी अगर आगे पीछे हो रहा है, तो जाहिर है कि आपका सिबिल स्कोर बहुत नीचे जाएगा। अगर आप एम्प्लॉयमेंट में हो और अगर आपको कहीं से अच्छी ऑफ़र आ रही हो, तो आजकल बहुत सारे कंपनीज़ ने, मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज़ में, इवन प्राइवेट सेक्टर कंपनीज़ में, बिफोर रिक्रूटिंग एनी कैंडिडेट उनका सिबिल जनरेट करते हैं, और अगर उनका सिबिल रिपोर्ट ख़राब रहेगा तो द एम्प्लॉयर रिफ्यूज़ टू एक्सेप्ट दैट कैंडिडेट as his employee.
One-time loan settlement should be the last option. Apart from that, there are other ways through which you can get out of debt trap. If you have any savings or investments, utilize it to repay the entire debt. Try to borrow interest-free loans from relatives or friends to pay off the outstanding balance to the banks. Speak to the lender, that is the bank, for loan restructuring so that you can easily repay the full amount. Instead of opting for a one-time settlement with the bank, ask for some more time so that you can repay the loan.
You have seen how Mohit's carelessness can heavily put burden on his wife. The first mistake is to think about one-time settlement without consulting a finance company. Banks or finance companies do not offer one-time settlements in every case. Moreover, in the future, it will be difficult to get a loan when you need it. Mohit should make an effort to close the loan instead of settling it.